Hi, now we want to look at this question on stoichiometry. 4 grams of hydrogen gas reacts with 2 grams of oxygen gas to form water. What is the limiting reactants? How do we know? Well, the first thing we have to do is to write our equation of reaction. So that's H2 plus O2 to give 2H2O. This is quite easy, but you have to make sure that it's balanced, otherwise it might be the beginning of your problems. So it has to be balanced, and then you notice that we have 4 grams of hydrogen there. So that's 4 grams over there. And for oxygen as well, we have 2 grams of oxygen. Now this stuff is confusing to write. So what do we do? Yeah, this is 4 grams, this is 2 grams. Okay, so we're trying to find out what the limiting reactant is. And what we're to do here is to get the moles. So you want to get the moles of this one. The moles of hydrogen becomes 4 divided by the molar mass. That's the mass divided by the molar mass. Molar mass of hydrogen is 2 grams per mole. And this 2 is because you have 2 of the hydrogen atoms here. So that was basically going to be 2 times H, where H is 1. So that gives you 2 eventually. 2 times 1 is 2. Now this gives you 2 when you solve it out, and the moles of this one is 2 divided by 32, which gives you 0.0625. Now we've had the moles here. The next thing we're to do is to get the ratio. Okay, so the ratio in this case becomes this moles divided by the stoichiometric coefficient. That's 2 over 2. This is for hydrogen. And then for oxygen, what happens? This one here, 0.0625, will be divided by the stoichiometric coefficient, 1. That's the number that we have in the balanced equation. So have you been able to figure out why your equation has to be balanced before you start anything? It's because you will need it here, and you don't want to use the wrong numbers. So 1 ratio 0.0625, the smaller one here is this, and that means that oxygen is our limiting reagent. That's the smaller one. So that's how to solve these kind of questions, and more will be rolled out soon. We're working towards about 100 questions in stoichiometry. So stay tuned and subscribe so you won't miss the other ones. And if you found this video helpful, then you can give it a like, and I'll see you on the next